Hello, DeSoto ISD 5th grade math scholars. This video will inform you of everything you will need to know about your cumulative performance assessment that is due at the end of this year. The performance assessment is the final project that all students are expected to complete and turn in to their teachers by May the 18th. We want all our scholars to earn a pass. The DeSoto ISD School District Anytime Anywhere District Learning Plan for the week of May the 11th, 2020, 5th grade math. Our Financial Literacy Week 6, the end of the year unit assessment. This is a brief review of what you have been taught over the past 5 weeks. Week 1, we discussed what are taxes. Week 2, what is the difference between gross income and net income? Week 3, what are the different payment methods? Week 4, how can I budget my money? Week 5, how do I make good decisions like balancing a budget? And now we're ready for week 6. It's the end of the year unit assessments. Also, these are the various TEKS that this unit covered. Here are vocabulary and definitions that were used during this particular unit. The 5th grade math team broke up the 5 components of the project to be done one part at a time. So starting on Monday, you will only be required to do number 1. Let's read. Directions. Analyze the problem, situation, or situations described below. Organize and record your work for each of the following tasks using precise mathematical language. Justify and explain each solution process. Question 1. Mark has opened a snow cone stand on property he recently purchased. The information below needs to be recorded in his financial records for the business. Starting balance, $100. Purchase 2 ice blocks, $24. Purchase 12 syrups for $3 each. Purchase 1 package of 500 cups for $5.25. A. Create a plan that will help Mark keep track of how much money he has earned and spent in his snow cone business. B. Use the plan. Calculate Mark's available balance for his business, considering his starting balance, income, and expenses. C. Describe what actions Mark may need to take if he realizes that he must purchase a new ice shaving machine for $330. That concludes your assignment for the first day. Problem 1. Tuesday. Problem 2. There are several ways Mark's customers might pay for their snow cones. A. Describe 3 ways Mark's customers might pay for their snow cone. B. Compare and contrast the advantages and disadvantages of each payment type. This concludes Tuesday's assignment for problem 2. Wednesday, problem 3. After starting his business, Mark decides to make an appointment with a financial accountant to discuss his finances and taxes that he may have to pay. A. Write a short definition for each of the following terms and predict if Mark will have to pay any of these taxes for his business. 1. Income tax. 2. Payroll tax. 3. Sales tax. 4. Property tax. This concludes the assignment for Wednesday, problem 3. Thursday, problem 4. Mark decides that he needs extra help on the weekends and hires a part-time employee. Mark agrees to pay the employee $7 per hour. After working 10 hours, Mark writes the employee a paycheck for $58.31. A. Explain why the amount Mark wrote the paycheck for is not the same as the wages earned by the employee. Use the terms gross income, net income in your explanation. This concludes Thursday assignment problem 4. Friday, problem 5. Mark created a sample monthly budget for his business as shown below. How much does Mark need to make in sales during week 4 in order to have a balanced monthly budget? So let's review. Note for students: for each task, analyze your situations. Organize and record your work. Use precise mathematical language to justify and explain each mathematical process. We're looking for pass scholars, so we're only going to look at number 4. Steps for turning in the end of the year unit assessment. On a blank piece of paper, notebook paper, you have already numbered problems 1 through 5. In each day, you did a problem. On Monday, you did problem 1. On Tuesday, you did problem 2. On Wednesday, you did problem 3. On Thursday, you did problem 4. And on Friday, you did problem 5. Now you're ready to turn in your work. 2. As the questions come across the screen, you have the opportunity to pause the video, solve the problem. You do not have to rewrite the word problem. Then you can replay the video for help. 3. When you complete, use your device to take a picture of your work. Upload it as your weekly assignment in Google Classroom and push submit. Here is an example of your work. Student's name, the date, and the assignment for that day. All of this can be captured in numerical order on corresponding pages. This concludes our tutorial on how to complete our unit assignment. Next, be sure to upload your answers to Google Classroom as Financial Literacy Week 6 assignment. Continue to practice IXL, iStation, as well as the Academy assignments in your student checklist. Look out for meeting invitations to have classroom discussions. Email your teachers if you have any questions.